What's good, everybody? I wanted to take a minute and update everybody on the status of the 35 pickup. It's been a few weeks since SEMA, and while we did take a few days off when we got back, we've been hard at work tying up a few loose ends, and specifically one of those big loose ends was the tune. We had a decent base map before we left, but it did need some serious work, especially on the low end for drivability's sake. We weren't able to do any wide open pulls on this dyno. The belly pan prevents us from getting some of the really good tie down spots that we need, but we were able to make just under 700 horsepower on 7 pounds. The engine's built to hold around 30 safely. However, we're really interested in just making it fast and drivable instead of trying to win a horsepower war. Now that we have the tune down, it's running really well, almost perfect. The low end is much more drivable, and it's very easy to drive as well. The next step is to get it legally on the road, which we should have that done next week. Please forgive all the cell phone clips, but I hope you enjoy and stay tuned for more.